Imagine creating an app that feels completely native on both iOS and Android, without hiring two separate teams or writing two separate code bases. Sounds too good to be true? That's exactly what React Native promises. But here's the real question. In 2025, is it still the go-to framework for developers, or is Flutter finally taking the crown? Let's find out. React Native has been around for years, built by Meta to make app development faster and more efficient. It became incredibly popular because developers could build one app that worked on both major platforms. But fast forward to 2025, technology has evolved, Flutter is growing stronger, and everyone's asking, is React Native still worth using today? Let's start with what makes React Native still powerful. The biggest strength is that it uses JavaScript, the most widely used programming language in the world. That means millions of developers can pick it up easily. If you already know React for web, you can jump straight into mobile development without learning something entirely new. And with updates like the Fabric architecture and Turbo modules, React Native apps now perform faster, feel smoother, and handle native features more efficiently than before. The 2025 version of React Native also offers better startup times, cleaner animations, and improved integration with native APIs. It's much more polished than it used to be, and let's not forget its massive community. With thousands of open-source plugins, documentation, and tutorials, help is always just a few clicks away. You rarely have to start from scratch. And that's a huge advantage for teams working under tight deadlines. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. When apps become too complex or rely heavily on animations or graphics, React Native can start to slow down. Performance isn't always as smooth as what you'd get with fully native development. And while updates from Meta have improved things, the development environment can still feel less integrated than Flutter's. Speaking of Flutter, let's compare. Flutter uses its own rendering engine, giving developers pixel-level control over every UI element. That means consistency. What you design is exactly what you get, no matter the platform. React Native, however, relies on each platform's native components, which makes your app feel more authentic but adds complexity when maintaining the code. Flutter wins when it comes to visual control, but React Native offers a more natural platform feel. One area where React Native still shines is maturity. It's been tested by industry giants like Meta, Shopify, Tesla, and Discord, all using it at scale. That kind of track record matters. It means better documentation, stable performance, and fewer unexpected bugs in production. So, for companies or developers who already work with JavaScript, React Native remains an extremely reliable option in 2025. Let's quickly look at the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. Pros: it saves time and money with a shared codebase, has strong community support, offers faster updates, and works great for startups or businesses that want to move fast. It also integrates smoothly with native modules and works perfectly with TypeScript for safer, cleaner code. Cons: performance can drop with heavy animations, some native features still require manual bridging, and the UI might look slightly different across devices if not optimized carefully. So who should use React Native in 2025? If you're a developer or business focusing on e-commerce, social apps, or productivity tools, React Native is still a smart, efficient choice. It's especially great if your team already knows JavaScript or you want to build for both platforms without doubling your costs. But if your app depends on high-performance visuals or custom designs that need total control, Flutter might suit you better. In short, React Native in 2025 is far from outdated. It's faster, more stable, and more developer-friendly than ever before. It's not about whether Flutter or React Native is better, it's about what fits your needs. React Native still offers reliability, speed, and massive community power. So what's your take? Is React Native still leading the cross-platform race, or has Flutter finally taken over? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.